Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, 30 class. As you know that we have completed the first short story, The Killers, and in today's lecture I will tell you how you will attempt the questions that are given from short stories. The first question that is given from short story is explain with reference to the context, and this question may have 6 marks or 7 marks because 5 passages are given from the poems and short stories at one act plays, and you have to attempt 3 paragraphs, 3 stanzas or 3 passages, etc. And this question contains 20 marks, and first 2 stanzas or passages that you will attempt, it's your choice beta, okay, that which passage you choose to explain. So the first 2 passages that you will choose, they will have 7 marks, and the last one that you will choose, it will have 6 marks. So total marks that will be given for this question, and they are 20. Okay, open your book on page number. Okay, but open your book on page number 11. So you can see that I have highlighted a few lines. Okay, this is a passage that I have highlighted from your short story, The Killers. Nick looked at the big man lying on the bed. Don't you want me to go and see the police? No, Ole Anderson said. That wouldn't do any good. Isn't there something I could do? No, there ain't anything to do. As I have already told you that the conversation between Nick and Ole Anderson is going on here because Nick has gone to Ole Anderson's home in order to inform him about the killers. But look at the expression, look at the response of the Ole Anderson, that he damn care about all these things, and he's saying that they can't do anything and even they don't inform to the police. So this is the passage that I have selected, and from the whole short story, any line, any passages, they can be given by the Punjab University. Okay students, so let's start with reference to the context. Okay students, I have read passage in front of you, and now you will write its reference. This is the question explained with reference to the context. RTC. RTC means reference to the context. So what is reference? Reference means from where the lines, the passage has been taken, and who is the author, who is the writer of the story or the poem. So I have written here, these lines have been taken from the short story The Killers, written by Ernest Hemingway. Okay ji? And because it is written by Ernest Hemingway, so we will write his name. Next step is context. Context. In the context, you will tell from where the lines have been taken from which place. Okay, कहाँ से किस जगह से लिखी हैं, whether it is from the beginning and or from the ending or from the middle of the short story. And you will also explain the previous things that are happening, but in a very short way. Okay students, so I will read in front of you. The given lines have been taken from almost from the end of the story. Okay, because this is the almost the end of the story. Nick Adams and Ole Anderson are talking to each other. Al and Max are 2 killers. You will also inform the reader, the examiner. Okay students, they have come to Henry's restaurant to kill Ole Anderson. Ole is a customer. George, Nick and Sam are members of the staff of restaurant. The killers make restaurant staff hostages. Ole doesn't come. After waiting for 2 hours, they'll leave the restaurant, and after their departure, Nick Adams, he goes to Ole's house and tell him about the killers and about the whole happening. Okay, the given lines occur at this occasion. अब ये जो lines जो मैंने आप सबको पढ़ी हैं सबके सामने, so they occur when at this occasion. ठीक है, इस मौके पर वो सारी सामने.